So we have a buyer from Meta Business Suite. That's MC. The name is Julian Reyes. So check the name. And nag-send siya ng Canva link na ipiprint. Ang request niya is silver foil for the names Alan, Jeline, and the 25th wedding anniversary. So first, open mo itong link niya. And ang unang gagawin here is file, make a copy. Make a copy kasi you don't want to mess up their original file. Now this one, you have to close this and rename Joy Copy Alan Jaylin. Alright, so nakasave na yan COS. So everything will be colored except this names and this 25th wedding anniversary. Colored. First, you have to make a copy. You lock this. You're not gonna do anything here. Sa page 2, ito yung copy. Sabi niya, Alan and Jenny will be silver foil. So you have to make sure na may enough thickness siya para kapitan ng foil. Kasi if you don't add the outline right here, just from effects, then click outline, add, make it 10. If you don't add that thickness, may possibility na hindi ganon magiging kalinaw ang kapit ng foil print sa kanya. And since ito ring 25th wedding anniversary ay pinapagawa niyang foil, it should be in black. And again, the outline. Again, effects, and then outline. So, 10. Okay. Balikan natin to. Mas makapal to, right? Kailangan mas ma-emphasize yung name and hindi sila same ng thickness nitong 25th wedding anniversary. So, what we can do here is add outline. Make it 15. Para in a way, mas emphasize tong names versus this 25th wedding anniversary. So, colored plus foiled. To do that, we have to delete all of the colored items. Dito, lahat ng colored. As in, lahat ng colored. Yan. Yan lang yung ipiprint mo using our Canon printer LBP2900 because that's a laser printer. Siya yung kakapitan ng foiled printing. Ngayon naman, sa colored, ito yun. Lock page, duplicate ulit. Tatanggalin mo naman dito yung foiled. Yan. So, this copy ay colored mong ipiprint dahil colored plus foiled ang order ng buyer. Page 2, colored. Page 3 is foiled. Wala kang binago sa positioning niya, ha? Kasi masisira yan. Kapag minove mo yan, mapupunta yan. For example, dyan, ang landing niyan ay nandyan. And you don't want the print to be messed up like that. Natakpan, right? So, again, wala kang gagalawin dito. Ibalik mo siya sa tamang lalagyan niya. That's it. Okay? This one, page 4 and page 5 ay magiging colored lang. Ayun lang ang gusto niya. Colored, foiled, which is silver. Tag 15 copies. So, itong pages 2, 4, pages 2, 4, and 5 ay ida-download mo, share, download as PNG. You want 2, 4, and 5. Yan yung mga colored na ipiprint mo, right? Download. And then, download ka rin ng page 3. Ito yung foiled. I-transparent mo siya. Alright. Color dito sa ating Epson L110. Yan, Epson. Alright, so from there, na-download mo na siya. Ito yung colored, remember, and this one is the foiled details. You just have to find from our Canva account yung file na tinatawag na A4 now. A4 now. Okay, let's search. A4. Ito. A4 now. Kasi dito tayo nagle-layout ng mga invitation nakakasya sa size na A4. Like this. Okay? Duplicate ka lang kasi it's a template already. Remove yung mga hindi mo kailangan. Ito yung template na tinatawag. Ayan yung size ng 5R kapag kinat. No, mas malaki to sa 5R kasi yun yung cutting line na hindi ka lalagpas dyan. Okay, let's show it. Just to make it clear, yan po ay hindi 5R. These rectangles are 5.1 by 7.1. Mas malaki siya dapat. And naka-lock. Mas malaki siya dapat. Kasi 5R yung card mo. Doon mo siya ipapatong. Sa downloads, ito yung kailangan mo, right? So, make a copy, the downloads, and paste. Skip. Copy and paste. Compare both files to skip this. So, ito yung meron ka, right? Yan yung pictures na meron ka. Ipiprint mo. Lipat mo ngayon yan dito. 4 na pages. Select mo silang lahat. Again, select mo. 4 sila. Pinutin mo yung 3 bilog. Align elements. Align to center. Align elements. Align to middle. Patong-patong na sila dyan. Kasi, ang kailangan mo siyang gawin is maging 5R. Ayaw mo siyang isa-isahin, hilain. So, ito yung ginagawa natin. Hilain mo sila ng sabay-sabay. So, to make sure na 5R na siya, ito, yung zoom niya kailangan nasa 500. Para makita mo yung actual size nitong hawak mong. See, nag 5 by 7.1. Ibalik mo siya. Yan. Yan na yung largest na kaya niyang maging 5R. Okay. Yan. Nakikita nyo, meron siyang space sa gilid. On all sides, kailangan pantay siya. Yun. Lumabas na yung center, yung alignment ng Canva. Pa-cross siya. So, horizontally and vertically is naka-center na siya. Ngayon, lipat mo lang to. Isa-isa mo lang siyang ilipat. Okay. Okay. Ito yung colored, right? Cut mo muna yan. Ito yung colored for page 1. Right? And kapag nilapat mo siya, dapat is kapantay sila. Diba dyan yung intended location yan, Alan and Jeline? Right. So, saan natin siya ilalagay? Ang kailangan mong i-print ay foiled. Just tatanggalin mo to. So, hindi mo kailangan ng outline. May outline na doon sa page na to. And hindi mo kailangan i-print ng colored yan. So, again, dito may outline. Yung rectangle guide sa cutting. Ang nandito is colored lang. Kasi nandito yung foiled. Magkahiwalay mo na printer, sila ipiprint. Unahin mo yung colored. Pag lumabas na siya, test ka ng isa, lalabas siya. Kapag nakita mo na ang itsura niya is ganyan na, yan, ganyan yung paglapat ng colored and foiled print. Okay. Pag ganyan ang alignment niya, pwede mo na siyang i-print ng marami. Kung ilan yung order ng buyer. Pero kung nakaganyan siya, or nakaganyan siya sa print, well, may kailangan kang i-check muna sa pinirint mo and sa layout mo. Kasi mali yan. Hindi ganyan ang order ng buyer. Right? Kailangan maayos. Ganyan.